Use Royal Digital Quantization app. Can help you avoid these troubles. When the currency price rises, it directly makes a profit. When the market falls, the price of the purchased currency will be lower by the average price. At the same time, it also has the functions of replenishment and take profit callback. When the price of the currency reaches the set price, it will continue to track. Reach the trailing profit and let the market follow the rise. If it reaches the price correction range, sell immediately. When the market is falling, you can buy when the average purchase price is lower immediately and effectively. Ensure that you can buy in. Help you make a profit at the highest price, and help you lower the average price at the lowest price. Royal Q quantitative robots can maximize your financial benefits during the period of using. The most important is, the robot can watch the currency price 24 hours a day for you. Completely liberate your life and execute millisecond-level trading. Never miss any moment of profitable opportunity. Give yourself a chance. Enjoy a high standard of life. Let Royal Q improve.
Royal Q.